trouble with love is. What the trouble with love is.
We do bloopers. What's up, YouTube? ASD Basehead V1. Doing another video here of this box that's going into another vehicle that was already installed previously before this, but we're going to do a little change up on the subs. These subs actually got fried. They're KFC's, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Anyways, they're Kenwood KFC's. Actually, I don't even know. I got it written down here on the board. W12 PCs. They are, I know, a 2-inch voice coils, 1000 watts peak, 250 watts RMS, urethane surround. I mean, they're pretty decent subs. I mean, my girl had them for like, what, 15 years? 15 years. So we're going to take them out of this box and actually see what's actually going wrong with them. When we had them in the car before, was a 2005 Pontiac Grand Prix sedan. The box is actually 3 cubes sealed, 6 cubes ported before port. A 9 cube box. So I'm thinking, if my math's right, I think it's like a 8.6 cube box with the port. I had 2 ports made for this box. The first port was perfect. I made another one just to see if I get more volume out of the box. Didn't really work so well. I mean, it did in high-end frequency, but low-end frequency, not so much. Was it 8 inches by 12 inches, something like that. 8 depth, 12 inches length, and then wide was, I think, 4 inches. I got a 6 by 12 in there right now. It's tuned probably like 31, 32 range frequency for the tuning. It's a 4th order bandpass. Like I said, it's a 2-to-1 ratio, 4th order bandpass. 3 cubes sealed, 6 cubes ported, which is displacement. That's before the port. 31, 32 hertz. So I'm going to be taking this apart, taking these subs out. Like I said, I had a JL700/5 amplifier on these subs. They're 15 years old. They're only 250 watts RMS. They're a single voice coil, 4 ohm, 2-inch voice coil, 162 ounce magnet. They're like $54 a piece now. I don't know how much they were back then 15 years ago, but I'm sure, I mean, they pound like 140 dB plus. And a sedan 2005 Grand Prix, and it was pretty loud. So I'm gonna take these apart right here and see what's going on here. Hopefully it's just tensile leads. If it's tensile leads, we can fix them. If not, we're gonna be doing a video here of taking them apart. But they don't make a recone for them, so why not, right? Have a little bit of fun. I'm here getting this like me unscrewing it. I'm gonna do a fast mode. I can hear like me unscrewing. Give me unscrewing and like a couple rounds. Add music to it. Make it fast mode. It's full.
No, you're good. It stopped, but I restarted it.
This material is 3/4 inch MDF board. I'm going to redo this box, sand it down. Roundovers on all the edges. Here's the port. It's Craig jigged. It's all nice and neat. Straight. That's how we build boxes. 15-year-old Kenwood KFCs, Kentucky Fried Chickens, because they're fried, but we'll see how they are. Get this light in here. My drywall screws in where you things up. This is a prefab box in here, which actually is 3/4 inch MDF. So you thinking prefab, it's bad material. Some prefabs do come good with good material. This actually happens to so be 3/4 inch MDF. Move this out of the way. Got sky high 12 gauge cardio wire right here, OFC, oxygen free copper. I said that these are 162 ounce magnet KFC W12 PS's with a urethane surround, 2-inch voice coil. Let's see. I mean, I need to get a multimeter in here too and see if they have any kind of impedance. It's possible. Taking this other sub out. Already hit the wire disconnect on this one. Yeah, we're gonna do a impedance check on these. Really, we'll see how the glide is now. That's pretty good, right? This way. Grab this multimeter. Impedance. This is the right one. I'm going positive. Negative. This sub's actually pretty good on this coil. They're 4 ohm load. They're single voice coil, 4 ohm. It's reading at like 3.2, so this sub is still good, intact. But we'll check to really see if it actually works or not for power. Probably another video, maybe this video, or maybe another video. Let's go on to this one. This one actually has coil rub. I don't know if you can hear there in the coil rub for sure. So I'm assuming this one's blown. Positive side, negative side. It's reading 1.4. Let's flip it up and actually have it upright. It's probably intact. It isn't. But this is a 4 ohm sub. So with this being said, because I'm gonna do a ZVX SCAR video. I'm at 18. Its impedance is zeroed out. So with this being a 4 ohm single voice coil speaker, you're at 1.3. You seen this was at 3.2, which is normal. You want to be in like 3.2, 3.4 range or 4 on impedance check on a multimeter. This is at 1.3. So the voice coil is still intact within the tensile leads of the former and everything. So you're going to have that crinkling sound because the full potential is not there when you're putting full power to it off an amplifier or having any kind of signals going to it. You're going to hear some like noise, like coil rub or something on. So something's going on with it. So it's definitely not having full impedance on it. It's like half, which we could probably do. I don't know. Should we do a video of blowing this up, making it, just finishing it off? What do you think?
Sure.
Just to blow it off? I think I got something I can blow this up with. Honestly, I can free air it, or comment below if you want me to free air this woofer, finish blowing it off, or just tear it apart and actually see what's going on with it. Which I'm sure it ain't gonna be a whole lot because it's still reading like half impedance, which is, I figure that's what it's gonna read. But it's still got contacts where I can apply power to it. So, like I said, comment below if you want me to blow this up, free air it, put it back in a box, or just rip it apart and just look at it, diagnose it, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. But I mean, it's a pretty good sub, honestly. 15 years old, hitting a 40 plus, and a custom fourth order box, 2-to-1 ratio, 3 sealed, 6 ported before port, 8.6 after port. Pretty good.
That
like I
sub's
said,
almost.
This sub's seen better days. Look at this crack. Crack. Hitting 40s. 40s. 31, 32, 33 hertz all day. Single voice coil. 162 ounce magnet. 2 inch. That's crazy. $54 a piece. Other than that, we're going to do another video of this EDX. I'm going to show you the coil that's been unglued from the former. Or unwound. It's actually only unwound like 3 times, I would say. If that. I think 2 times unwound. It's like X. You can tell the coloration of the coil that it's not burnt. I've had like 400 watts under power max RMS to this sub, and it's decided to stop working on both sides. Dual voice coil D1s, stop head impedance. Didn't show nothing on the meter. So we'll do another video of that. Stay tuned for the video that's going to be coming up for this new build coming up, 2005 Pontiac Grand Prix, 4th order bandpass, 2-to-1 ratio, 9-cube box, before port. I think we're going to go with what, resilient sound, golds, or golds or platinums, probably golds, different amp. Probably going to take away from my system, my front stage, first starting off, Scar, the FXS's, 6.5 Pro audios, put them in with this build. But you'll see the videos coming up soon, so stay tuned, hit that like, subscribe button if you haven't yet. Other than that, ASD Basshead. Peace. Kenwood.